In this video, we are going to discuss an example of deletion on red black tree. Before going to this video, you must watch first part and second part of red black tree. Then you can understand what I am saying. So this is the tree, red black tree, and we want to perform deletion operation on these elements. Okay, first of all we want to delete 58. If we want to delete 58, we want to replace it because 58 is a black node, so we want to replace it with its child. So its children are nil nodes, so it replaced with its nil node, and 58 have color black and nil node have also color black. So here is a problem that db has occurred. Then we want to solve this problem. According to the case 4, if db sibling is red, here the db sibling is red, then swap the color of sibling and parent. Swap the color of sibling and parent. Sibling is 71 and parent is 67. We should swap the color. So we have swapped the color. 71 become black and 67 become red. And rotate parent over db's direction, and rotate parent over db's direction. Then after rotation 67 will come downwards and 71 will come upwards. So this will be our final tree after rotation. And reapply cases, we want to check. So this is the double black, so we want to check its sibling is 68. It is black color, so we want to apply case 3. Case 3 is if db sibling is black, that is both its children are black. That is both its children are black because here only nil nodes are its children. So then remove db, add black to its parent. Parent is red, so parent will become black, and double black will become single black, and sibling will become red. After that we have get this tree. After deleting 55, this is our final tree. So and we can avoid this nil node. Okay, then after that we want to delete 31. 31 was our question. Okay, we want to delete 31 and it will replaced with its node as successor because 31 will be here and 31 have two children, both of them are black, so it will replaced with its in-order successor. I have taken in-order successor. Here in-order successor is 37. Then we want to delete 37, but 37 is of black color, so we can't delete it directly, so it will be replaced with its children. Its children are nil node, so here a double black situation will come, replacing with a nil node. Then here is also a black node, so double black will come, and sibling of db is black and its children are also black, so apply case 3. Here the sibling is black and its children are also black, nil nodes are black, so we want to apply again case 3. Then it will give the problem to its parent, then parent will become red, then 37 will become double black. I have shown here. Then change the sibling, then change the sibling's color to red. We want to change the color of 17 to red. We can ignore the nil node. Then we get this. Here again a db problem, so we want to apply some cases. Checking the sibling is 71, its color is black and its children are also black, so giving the problem to its parent, then parent will become double black and recolor sibling to red. Okay, we have get this. Then apply case 2. Here the root is double black, so you can just remove that. After that you get this. Then we want to delete 92, that was our question. So 92 is of red color, so you can directly remove 92. Okay. Then we want to delete 80. So 80 have children nil node, so we want to replace 80 with the nil node, and here 80 is also black and nil node is also black, so here will occur a db problem. So we will get like this. After that you want to apply case 5 because db sibling is black, okay, and sibling's child who is far from db is black, then near child is red, so apply case 5. So we want to recolor what? We want to swap color of db sibling and nearest child with the db. Here it is 68. So 68 will become black and 67 will become red. Then another rule is there, rotate sibling in opposite direction. Rotate sibling in opposite direction. Okay. When rotating opposite direction to db, we get this, that is 68 will go up and 67 will go down. Okay, here you can see that db sibling is black and far child is red. Then you want to apply case 6. So swap color of parent near sibling. So 71 will become black and 68 will become red. So we will get this. Then we want to again rotate in db's direction. Then we get this. 71 will go down and 68 will go up. So we will get this. So remove db, change color of red child to black, and 67 was the child, so 67 will become black. Here we are applying the case 6, that is remove db. Yes, you have removed db. Change color of red child to black. Change color of red child to black, that is 67 will become black. Okay, and this is the tree that we get after deletion. Okay, then we want to delete 52. 52 can be replaced with its in-order successor. Here the in-order successor is 67. So we replace with the 67. Then we want to delete 67. Then it is a black color and its children are also black. So here is a problem of double black. Then we want to reapply in cases. Then checking db sibling is black and that is both its children are black and its children are also black. Then remove db and give one black to its parent. Parent was red, now changes to black, and recolor the sibling to red. So we will get this and remove the single black nil node. Then this was our tree. Then next we want to delete 37. 37 was here and we can replace it with its single child, that is 17. We have replaced with the 17. And here we want to delete 17. 17 is of red color, so we can delete 17 directly. So we will get this. Okay. After that we want to delete 17. That was our question. And 17 is of black color and its children are also black. So it will be replaced with its children, that is nil node, and will get a double black here, and that is our problem. Then we want to solve that problem. We apply case 6 because db sibling is black and far child is red. Then what we want to do? No need to do swapping. We want to swap, that we already discussed that sibling and parent, but we don't want to swap here because both are of same color, so we don't want to swap here. And rotate towards db, that was the next. So we want to rotate towards db, so we will get 67 below and 68 will go up, so we will get this. Then remove db and change color of red cell to black. So we want to recolor 71 to black and we want to remove DB. So this is our final answer. We have performed the deletion operation on red black tree.